Hi guys, this is me, Sir Tawheed, and today I'm going to give you a lesson on present continuous tense. This tense is also called present progressive tense. So let's have a look at its definition. This tense describes the actions or activities that are being done at the moment, or it shows the actions that are going in the present time. It means whatever you are doing can be expressed with this tense. It means all those actions which are happening right now. So let's move on to its structure. There are total 4 elements in this structure. Number 1 is called subject. The first element is subject, and subject means the doer of anything. The doer of anything means the one who is doing something. The person who does something is called subject. Then the second element of the structure is helping verb. Here the helping verbs are is, am, and are. Only these 3 words are used as helping verbs. Then in the third place we have a fourth form of verb. Fourth form of verb means present participle form, and sometimes it is also called ing form. And in the fourth place we have to put object. So this is called the structure of present continuous tense. One more thing we have to remember is the usage of the words is, am, and are. So let's understand this. Is always used with the subject third person singular. Means if the subject is third person singular, like he, she, it, or singular noun, then we have to use is. But if the subject is first person singular, that is I, then we have to use am. We always use am after I. And with all other subjects, we will use are. So this is called the usage of is, am, and are. Now let's have a look at some examples. The first example is I am writing a letter. This is an affirmative sentence. You can see here the subject is I. I means I'm talking about myself. Since the subject is I, so I have put am after it, because am is always used after I. And then in the third place I have put fourth form of verb, and the verb is write here. So the fourth form will become writing. I am writing. And in the fourth place I have put object, that is a letter. I am writing a letter. And this is an affirmative sentence, so if I want to make this sentence in the negative form, or if I want to make a negative sentence, then I have to put not after am, because to make any sentence a negative sentence, we have to use not after the helping verb. Here helping verb is am, so we will put not after am, and the sentence will become I am not writing a letter. I am not writing a letter. This is a negative sentence. And if we want to make its interrogative sentence, then what we have to do is we'll have to use am in the beginning. In the first place we will use am, and in the second place we'll use the subject I. Am I writing a letter? Other things are remaining the same, and the sentence has become am I writing a letter? And also we have to put question mark after the sentence to make it a proper interrogative sentence. Now moving on to next example. This is you are learning a lesson. You are learning a lesson means you are learning a lesson right now. Right at this moment, you are learning it. You are doing this work, and the work is you are learning a lesson. Now, have a look at the complete sentence. In the first place, the word is you, which is subject because you are doing something, so you are the subject. And then after you, we have to put are. Always remember are is used after you. Are is also used with some other subjects as well. So you is a second person. So after you, we have to use are. And then we have fourth form of verb learning because the learning process is going on. And then its object, a lesson. I am learning a lesson. But if we want to make it negative, we we just have to put not after the helping verb are. So the sentence would become like you are not learning a lesson. This is a negative sentence. You are not learning a lesson. To create its interrogative sentence, we'll have to put helping verb before the subject. So the are is in the first place, and in the second place we have subject. Are you learning a lesson? Question mark. And this is an interrogative sentence. Let's look at the third example, which is she is cooking food. She is cooking food means she is cooking food right now. Right at this moment, she is cooking. So, because she is cooking, so the subject is she. And after she, we have to use is because she is third person singular. And after is, we have to use fourth form of verb, cooking, and then object. Here, the object is food. So the sentence has become she is cooking food, and this is an affirmative sentence. Again, if you want to make it negative sentence, we'll have to put not after the helping verb, and the sentence will become like this: she is not cooking food, and this is a negative sentence. And for interrogative, we'll have to put helping verb before the subject. So in the first place, we'll put is. In the second place, we'll put she, and other things will remain same. So the sentence will become is she cooking food? Also put question mark in the end, and that's it. This is called interrogative sentence. So guys, today we had learned the present continuous tense, which is also called present progressive tense. If you like this lesson, do subscribe me, like the video, and keep watching and stay updated. Goodbye.